Hello guys, welcome back. So today we are here to discuss about a question called count number of pairs with absolute difference k. Question number 2006. So we need to count pairs from the array with absolute difference k. Given an integer array nums and an integer k, return the number of pairs I, j such that I less than j and nums of I minus nums of j is equal to k. Okay, we need to find out all the pairs I and j as a pair where I is less than j, which means the indexes are less than j. And if you find difference between nums of I and nums of j, if nums of I minus nums of j, the difference should be equals to k. Okay. And the absolute difference, guys, not normal difference, absolute difference. Nums of I minus nums of j should be equal to k. So if this is true, this is a valid pair. Valid pair. Okay. So this is what we need to do. And they're giving a value of mod x, absolute value of x. So absolute value of x is nothing but it will give you, even though if you have minus x, it will give you x positive. So if x is greater than or equal to 0, it will be x. If x is less than or equal to 0, obviously then it will also give you x only. Okay. It's like x absolute value of x. Like if it is minus 2 or plus 2, this absolute value give you 2. This is what it means. Okay. So as you know, we have an array 2, 3, 7, 4, 5. And let's take k equals to 2. We need to find out the pairs where the absolute difference is 2. So with value 2, we have pairs with 3, 7, 4, and 5. Okay. Find out the absolute difference like 2 minus 3, 1, 2 minus 7, it is minus 5. Absolute difference is 5 and 2 minus 4, it is 2. So it is equal to our absolute difference. Count will equal, initially count is 0, it will become 1. And 2 and 4, 5, it is 3. So that's all. 2 for 2, we will find out all the pairs in that way. And for 3 also, we'll do the same thing. 3 and 7, 3 and 4, and 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we will get 2. So count will increase from 1 to 2. Next 7, 7, 4, 7, 5. 7 and 4 is 3. 7 and 5 is 2 again. So it is count 3. Okay. And next 4 and 5 you will not get. So that's all done. So you can see here, I'm always taking the element and going on to the right side. Why? Because this is your current index I. Okay. And we have a condition called I should be less than j, which means j should be greater values, which means if you find out one element in the pair, second element should be, its index should be greater than first element index, which means if you take this 2, obviously, let's say this index is 0, you should get the indexes greater than 0, which means on the right side. That's all. That's the reason I'm going to the right side. So when I am taking any elements 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7, if I take this element, I will search for the other element on the right side. I will form pair with elements on the right side. Why I will form pair with elements on the right side? Because the index of the current element is 0. And I can pair with 0, 1, 0, 2, and 0, 3, and 0, 4. And for suppose if you take this one, index is 2. I can pair this 2 with 2, 3, 2, 4, not with 2, 1, because 2 is less, sorry, 2 is greater than 1, not less than 1. That's the reason. Okay. This is a very simple way. It's the straightforward way you can call. Okay. Now let's see optimal way. Okay. Okay. This is one way, and you can also use hash map to do the same thing. Okay. So let's see this one by one. Okay. So first thing is, as I said, first thing, int count equal to 0. Like we don't have any count initially, so it will be 0, guys. And now we will take a for loop, int I equal to 0, I less than nums dot length, I plus plus. And now int j will start from now, and one more loop where int j equal to I plus 1, j less than nums dot length, j plus plus. Okay. And you'll find out the absolute difference. If math dot absolute difference of between nums of I and nums of j. The difference, we are finding the difference. We are finding the difference and doing it, finding its absolute value. If it is equal to k, simple thing, count plus plus, and then simply return count. That's all. Very simple, straightforward code, guys. I hope this point is clear to you people. We are going to each element and going on the right side. Why only on the right side? Because we can pair values only with based on this condition. I should be always less than j. It's not I should be greater than j, guys. Okay, that's the reason. So let's run this one. That's all, guys. This is how we solve this particular question. I hope the question is clear to you people, and I'm assuming the approach and everything is clear. And I hope you like this video. We'll meet in the next video. Until then, see you guys. Take care. Bye.